Hi, my name is Nydia. Um, I guess one of the most valuable concepts and idea that I got from this course was the different learning methods that are applied in instructional design and technology. For example, cognitivism, behaviorism, structuralism, all those different learning methods that are applied in instructional design. One of the most valuable skills that I learned is the process about creating content in instructional design and digital technology. If I could go back again and start on the month, I would think I would focus more on my research in instructional design and technology, and eventually try to develop methodologies and models that would fit into the instructional design and technology program. One of the best advice that I give students to do is to think outside paradigms. Use your creativity outside the box. When you use your creativity, you're able to implement and create better results for creativeness, imaginations. You're able to create all these wonderful models that are going to help you in instructional design and technology. That's one of my best advice. And continue learning. Think outside the box. Think outside paradigms. Don't limit yourself. That's one of the best things. That's how my mind works. I'm able to correlate and think outside paradigms and create models, methodologies, explore digital technology, instructional design methods. How does this methodology influences creativity or instructional design? But the ability to create and think outside the box. Um, the month, the valuable content in this month. How has it helped me? Um, I think I did a lot of the learning by myself. I'm a learner that engages, but I also go to my professor about outside sources so I can enrich myself and be able to create something better. Um, when you learn, it is important to be able to use other sources, be creative, and apply it and create something valuable and creative. What I want to do eventually with the instructional design program is create my own learning methodologies. Although I know that we have to create an iMovie, but what I want to do is eventually create models and methodologies for learning and be able to correlate two different sources and be able to explore what creativity is. I really enjoyed the program, although I wish I could use more of my creativity and learning methods and I could apply to this academic program because I grew up in an academic family, scientific. My father was a Nobel laureate nominee in Japan in the areas of science and mathematics, so I'm able, my mind, the way how I process information, I get ideas from different sources, and then I create that and I use my creativity, basically using the right and left side of the brain. I don't like to limit the way I think because knowledge and learning has no limit or creative does not need to be limit or be based on creative process. I enjoyed the program Instructional Design and Technology because I thought that I could be able to use my creativity but at the same time use other sources and explore and create something wonderful and innovative. Um, One of my best advice my father told me that before he passed away is think outside the box, be creative, and apply that to instructional design, technology, apply that to the graphic design, apply that to the science, apply that to the mathematics. That's what's important. Um, I hope to continue in the program and apply all these disciplines in academics and all this learning I've been wanting to implement and eventually create also something innovative and wonderful. Nydia.